So we've been getting this question a good bit, but it's, can you use Maxwell One on glass? All right, we've been getting asked, can you use Maxwell One on glass? And the simple answer is yes. You can use Maxwell One on pretty much any surface on your car. You can use it on the glass just like you do the paint. All you gotta do is spray it on, wipe it, and you're done. Your glass is cleaner, it's protected, and it's hydrophobic. So you'll notice you'll actually be using your windshield wipers a lot less because beads are just zipping right off. So today we're gonna be using Maxwell One on this glass, and as you can see, these things are filthy. It's covered in pollen, it's got bird poop on it, and water spots are all over this thing too. All you're going to do is just spray Maxwell One onto the glass or any surface. It can go on any surface. Use your microfiber towel and just wipe it in. And it's that easy. Once you're done, you just want to flip it to a dry side or use a whole new microfiber towel, whichever one's dry, and then just go back and smooth in any sections that you missed.
That is now cleaned, protected, and has an incredible shine, all thanks to Maxwell One.
Here is the side by side. As you can see, the right side is just insane, just like a mirror. And then this left side is still completely filthy. Like, that's an insane shine in seconds. So here's Maxwell One again, and this time it's going to be used on the front windshield. All you got to do is spray it on, get your microfiber towel, wipe it in, and then either flip to a new side of the microfiber towel that is dry, or get a new microfiber towel and just smooth out any sections you think might need it. And Maxwell One does contain Tri-Phene technology, which is extremely hydrophobic. So as you'll see, water just zips right off your windshield when it's coated. And then when it's uncoated, you can hardly even see out the windshield. If you're looking for even more hydrophobicity for your windshield, so you don't have to use your windshield wipers like practically at all, I'd actually recommend Max Easy. This is a little more hydrophobic on glass than Maxwell One because Maxwell One is a cleaner and coating, while this is a dedicated coating. So if you have any questions about Maxwell One or any of our other products, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to get to them. Have a good day.